Hey guys, this is Suri ICT. This tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a personal website using HTML. Now in this video I expect at least 10,000 likes on this account. Now let me start off. I will just press shift, key 1, press tab, then it will display this template. I will say my personal website, like that. Then I will have to move to body tag, then enter my content. I'll start with header. I'll say header. So my header, the first heading, that is heading 1, will be, I can say my name. I'll say Kelvin Suri. Then I will introduce another heading tag, which is heading 2. Then I'll say web developer in training, like that. Now from here, after closing this header section, I am going to introduce the about me section. So to introduce a section, I would say this will be, let me add a comment here, about section, like that. So here I am going to introduce a section like this, sorry, like that. Then in this section I'm introducing a heading. I'll say heading 1. It has a, so this will be about me. Okay, now we also going to have a paragraph in that section. I will introduce p tag, then I will say hi there, I am excited to share my journey into web development, like that. Then I also have to add another paragraph here. I can say something here, p tag, like that. Then I will say I am learning how to build websites. Okay, then this is a section. We have created this section, about section. I'm going to add another section here that will be my skill section. So let me add a comment here. You can add it like that. So you can say this is a skills section, right? Now I'm going to introduce another section tag. I will say section, like that. So within my section, I'm going to enter my heading, like heading, I will say heading 2. Then my heading will be my skills. Okay, right? I will introduce my list. I have a list of my skills. Then I'm going to use UL tag. Within that, I'm going to have a nested tag here called li. Then I'm going to say HTML basics, right? I will also say another one. Then it's say learning web development. development. I can add another skill. I can say problem solving. Okay, that's my skill. You can add another skill as well. Okay, can add another one. Creative thinking. You can say creative thinking. Right. Now this is my skill section. I'm going to the last section. This, after closing this section, my skill section here, you need also to introduce another section here that will be contact section. So let me add a comment here. Okay, I would say a contact section, right? So from there, in contact section, I'll do it. I'll say this is a footer. It has to be footer. Then enter my first heading. I'll say heading 2. I can say get in touch, right? Okay, like that. You can also introduce a p tag here. Then you say your email. Okay, your email. Then I will add a link here. Introducing an anchor tag href. Href stands for hypertext reference. Then I'll hit enter. So within my value will be my little mail 2. Okay, then I can enter my email. I can say Suri Kelvin at gmail.com. Okay, now I'll close this one like this. Then you can enter your email, Suri Kelvin at gmail.com, like that. So guys, this is how to build a simple project in HTML. Now let's check it on the browser. Make sure you save. I will go to my browser, refresh, so that you may see the outcome. So this is how you can work with HTML. Now in the next video, I will show you how to apply CSS to make this HTML look better, to style it. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, consider following. Let's make this channel grow as I continue dropping more contents on HTML as far as web development is concerned. Let's meet the next video.